And the race is on. Grand Affair from the outside is Elebenian Queen. Running down on the inside, Sir Bones Queen Alicia. Manila's Gem Racing second last special edition. At still Grand Affair by Sam 3 lengths Queen Alicia. 3A, Elebenian Queen Manila's Gem Racing in fourth, Sir Bones. And special edition. In nearing the last 500, Grand Affair followed now by Manila's Gem. Rounding the far turn, Grand Affair by a length and a half. Manila's Gem, Alabenian Queen down on the inside, Queen Alicia. Last 450, Grand Affair by a length and a half. And on the outside is Alabenian Queen. Manila's Gem as they swing for home. Number 1, Grand Affair by a length and a half. Alabenian Queen in second. Manila's Gem in third. And nearing the finish line, Grand Affair, Alabenian Queen moves up from the outside. It's now Alabenian Queen, Manila's Gem, Grand Affair. And finally, 3A, Alabenian Queen, Manila's Gem Special Edition. Grand Affair, Queen Alicia, and Sir Bones comes last.